Hello people of the internet, I am Tumpa and in today's video I'll show you how you can get this beautiful dewy glowing simple makeup look for winters. So I got these 5 products from the brand Dr. Earth, which is a 100% vegan brand and has no harsh chemicals in them. The quality of these products are simply amazing and they blend beautifully. So let's get started with this tutorial and a review. So the first product is a rejuvenating serum, Rose Enchante. Then I have a concealer in the shade Cappuccino, and then I have a Rouge Rose lip and cheek tint. Then I have a highlighter illuminator Coralista, which is Glow Goddess Illuminator, and then finally I have the lipstick, which is Atomic Red Phytonutrient Lipstick. Starting with the rejuvenating serum Rose Enchante 15 ml product. Now they call it a serum. I would say this is a facial oil and very good for normal to dry skin type. Has a beautiful herbal fragrance and it did help to get me this dewy glowing look, and I totally love this product, perfect for winters. And let's go ahead and see the next product, which is a concealer in the shade Cappuccino. It matched my skin tone perfectly, good for wheatish to medium dusky skin tone, and yes, it blends beautifully also because I applied the facial serum or oil before this, so that also helped. And yeah, I'm using a brush. You can also use fingers. Now just using a compact to lock my concealer under my eyes and around my mouth so that it does not crease. Now I'm going to use the Dr. Earth Rouge Rose lip and cheek tint. I used it on my cheeks and also on my eyes, but I didn't use it on my lips because I'll be using a lipstick later. But yes, now these days I have started using it as a lip tint, and I must say I just love this shade. You just have to take a very little because it is super pigmented, but yes, the quality is amazing. It blends beautifully. You can use your fingers or a brush. I also like to use it a little on my nose, and then I'm going to use a little with my finger on the eyelids just to see how it blends on my eyes with fingers. And yes, as you can see, it's very easy to blend, but I'm still going to take a brush just to blend it out, perfectly. So the color has turned out super pigmented and more like a magenta shade. I totally love this color, and yeah, I've started using this lip and cheek tint a lot on my eyes and my lips on a regular basis. Then I'm going to use the Coralista Glow Goddess Illuminator. Now this is a very light illuminator, or you can say highlighter. This is not for night parties, but like if you want to use an illuminator during the day, which gives you a very natural look, like people can see your cheekbones highlighted, but at the same time they can't make out if you are wearing makeup, then go for this. It gives you a very natural look, blends beautifully, very good quality product, and I totally loved it. And it's from Coralista, one of my favorite YouTubers. She has a beautiful face. I will give you the links for all these products in the description box below. Now I have to say that yes, their products are expensive, but they are super high quality and they are very easy to blend. So if you can afford this brand, then go for it. I highly recommend the products. And finally finishing this look with this lipstick, which is Atomic Red by Dr. Earth, and it is super comfortable, very hydrating. It is not smudge proof or transfer proof, but the color is beautiful. It's very pigmented, will suit all skin types, and it's a vegan lipstick. So if you want to avoid getting pigmented lips or dark lips, always use a vegan lipsticks because they do not have any harsh chemicals in them. And finally my makeup look is ready. It is very easy to create this makeup look, and I'm in love with their Rouge Rose lip and cheek tint. I'm using it regularly on my cheeks, eyes and lips, and this lipstick is also very nice, good for special occasions. And I hope you like this dewy glowy makeup look because I am totally digging it. I love this look, and this is my go-to look these days, and I love it. And I hope you guys found this video interesting. Do try out their products, and yeah, subscribe, like and share, and see me in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.